an introduction to HTML. So let's begin by what HTML stands for. It stands for Hypertext Marker Language. So today we're going to dive into this introduction to HTML, specifically for those who are new to HTML. Before anything, make sure to save your file ending with HTML extension, like the way I do here. This will enable the text editor to understand the line of code being written belongs to what language, and for our case, it's HTML. Index.html is used to indicate the main page or home of your website application. So let's begin writing our first line of code. That is type HTML. You will see that everything in HTML is written in tags. Beware that when using a text editor like Sublime text editor, the one I'm using, it is going to autocomplete the tags. It's important to understand the tags, the way they close, so when having a text editor that does not have autocomplete, it does not become a challenge. The HTML tags, like the ones here, are where everything falls into. Head tags. These hold metadata. Metadata is part of the web browser, not displayed on the web content, but it has information like title of the page, links to CSS, links to favicons, and so on. The body tag. This defines the document of the body. It contains all the HTML document. Like, for example, the holding, the headings, paragraphs, imagings, and so on. Example on this web page we are creating. Let's add some few context to the body to give it a shape. So we start with headings tag, headings 1, 2, all the way up to 6. So let's add the first heading. So the first heading will be quote of the day. Let's run it through the browser. Okay. It's running as we intended. And the second heading will be from Steve Jobs. You see how all the headings are bold in their text? Then the paragraph, we'll work on that later. Let's add an image and a paragraph to our page. And now we run it again. Wow, you have been able to write your first web page. That's great. Okay, hope you have a nice coding day. Bye-bye.